Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA X30 and let me share with you how to manage a Google account in this device. So how to add it and how to remove it. So first of all, let's enter the settings, let's tap on them, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find passwords and accounts. Of course, here you've got whole Google section and you can add or remove a Google account using it. But to be honest, I personally prefer to do it using passwords and accounts simply. So let me tap on it. As you can see, here we've got our previously added Google account. So let's begin with removing it. So I can show you how to remove the account firstly. So let's tap on it, and as you can see, it's so easy because all you have to do is to tap on the remove account. Tap on remove account again, and as you can see, it will be immediately removed. But be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So remember about that, and don't worry if you will see the permission. Not permission. Don't worry if your device will ask for that. So now I can show you how to add the account. So simply tap on add account, choose Google. Of course, a quick disclaimer, you can add like 2 or 3 different Google accounts at the same time, so no worries. Here from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And again, a quick disclaimer, you don't have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the add symbol, because after tapping on next, your device will simply autofill it. So now let me enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, we've got it, so let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got a backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. So basically that's all. This is how to manage a Google account in your NOKIA X30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.